Hello, it's Shep here. We've got this 1996 Dodge truck up here, the Pace truck on the rack, doing an inspection and oil change. So while we're doing that, just take the opportunity to take a look up under here and see what we see. So first thing, closer look at the tires. Sometimes that dry rot will show up on the interior of a tire. Not the case. All the way around. Drum brakes in back. Rear diff is super dry, super clean. It looks like it has about 2,700 miles under here. Everything's super clean, tight, no rust, no surprises. This one's always been garaged. Could use with a bit of a detailing under here. Little water spots. Of course, on track day, this was out. In '96 there was rain, and they used this truck to lead the pack and a bunch of other trucks, and dried off the track ready for race. There's only a 27-minute delay on that. Discs up front, coilovers, just changed the oil. Oil was super clean, I think, coming out of there, but it's good to do based on time and just so I know it's going out with fresh oil. So mechanics said all the seals look good. There's just a slight bit of wetness on the bottom of the tranny pan. Pulled it out of its spot and didn't see any drip, so I'm looking good there. So there's a quick look at the underside, no damage on any of the lower truck parts. So sharp looking truck, underside included.